Nema Software Solutions. Problem meets solution. Software Solutions is part of Nema, the #1 provider of IT and office solutions in the Faroe Islands. Nema helps businesses and public institutions solve software problems by developing tailor-made IT systems, specializing in understanding the customer's business procedures and systemizing them, thereby bringing an easier way to time-consuming and advanced administration. The purpose? Efficiency and productivity. That is what Nema does best. From initiation to implementation, qualified IT consultants and developers with extensive experience working closely with the client in order to understand the problem and solve it. The result? An IT system that equips the customer with a more efficient and productive workflow. Nema has provided solutions Faroese Food and Veterinary Agency, Faroese Telecom, and the City of Tórshavn. Nema Software Solutions, making the complex simpler.